Hello, everyone. I just want to say that Aisha Buhari should absolutely be ashamed of herself. Absolutely be ashamed of herself. She's such a cowardly human being that all she can go after is a little boy who said nothing but the truth. All he said was that she had fed fat on the wealth of the poor people of Nigeria. Where is the lie in that? Aisha Buhari will tell me in 8 years, is this where was she before? I knew that this thing she had. She ran a spa. Other than a spa, what was she doing with now all the things that she can afford? All because her husband became her husband became president and she became first lady. But today she's out there putting her tyranny on a boy, and that this boy had been remanded in prison. They've taken him to court. On what basis? That he did what? Who the hell is Aisha Buhari that an aggrieved citizen will not come out and tell her that she has fed fat over the wealth of the poor people? Who is she? But because he's the one that she feels that, oh, she can carry her shoulder on and she can show herself on. Because he's the child of those people that she feels she can oppress. Aisha Buhari, I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. Oh, my, I don't blame you. Now, Nigerians are blamed. We give you grant. Honestly, I don't blame you at all. I don't blame you, Sha. I don't blame you. That you say you fed fat over the wealth of the poor people. Where is the lie in that? Your husband's government has been the most corrupt in Nigeria. Oil is being theft. Everything, national wealth, everything is being stolen. And you dare to come out and arrest a young man just because he told you the truth that you know in your heart of heart is the truth and nothing but the truth. You really should be ashamed of yourself. And if this is all the power that you have, that you will show it over a little boy who is just like your child, then you should be ashamed of yourself. And if the story going around that you broke your leg while you were hitting him, that would be karma. That would be karma come just in this world before we even get anywhere. Can you imagine the shamelessness, the thoughtlessness, the tyranny, the persecution meted out on a young man that did nothing? All the insult that your own children have insulted the sensibilities of Nigeria. If they were going to arrest you, will any of you be outside? You, your husband, your family, everybody should be behind jail, behind bars if Nigeria was a working country. And you come out here, all you want to do is to now oppress and suppress a young man who did nothing. Wallahi, Anjukunya, if all your power is to met it out on Yaro, wallahi, Anjukunya. Shame, wallahi, shame on you, an absolute shame on you. That this is what you do with the power that you have. Children have been in captivity for how long? FGC, Yauri, they've taken away girls for almost a year. What have you done? Where is this your power to send these DSS to go and rescue them? But of course, as shameless as shame can be, all you can do is to make it out on a little boy who has done nothing. Even that, I'm hearing reports that his parents came to even beg you that he's writing exams. Your children went abroad to go and get education, while other people's children were at home for 8 years. Yes, my children too go abroad. I pay with my own money. We pay with our own money. So I have children abroad. So I know. So for you, that you know you have kids, they've written the exam, they've done it. This one, you've deprived the child of writing exam just because you have power. No, Allah. Before you, there was Patience Jonathan. Before that, there was Ture Yaradua. Before that, there were host other first lady. May 29, 2023, by the grace of God, your own era will be over and somebody will be there. Dunia Budurwa Wawa.